Hi, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz and our first video in the year 2022. I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab and I want to talk to you today about these new beds that we built. So while everyone was away, we got these ADA compliant beds, which means that they are wheelchair accessible and they're made of a really cool material. They're 80% wood fiber that's been mineralized. So what that means is that it's like cement. It'll never break down and it's completely non-toxic. It's also porous, which allows air to move in and out, which will help oxygenate our soil and help the happy bacteria survive in our raised bed. So this amazing material was developed in Europe in the mid-1900s. And essentially what they do is they take shredded wood fiber, so like wood pulp, and they cover it with calcium carbonate and it becomes really tough and strong and it'll never decompose or break down. So then they create this sort of wall made out of that composite wood material, and that's what we built our bed out of. So we're really excited to have these brand new beds and to have some ADA compliant beds in our garden. So hopefully we'll get to use them soon. We'll get them filled up in the next couple of weeks and start planting our veggies. So follow and subscribe for more videos and you'll get to see what we plant in our new beds. Thanks so much for joining us and I'll see you next time. Bye.